brakes. What are they good for?
Slowing you down.
Yup.
I don't like to slow down.
No. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. I got a road trip coming up. I need new brakes. So we're going to change out the front brakes on the old Duramax here. You guys know what it is. Check it out.
You can pull the truck out. Okay, you good? Go ahead and come down.
It's a hub. They're not too bad. They're not too bad. They looked a lot worse than I thought they were. But we go and change them out anyway. Them pads though. Them pads be looking real thin. Them pads be looking thin. Alright, we're going to start with the caliper. We're going to pull the slide bolt out. We're going to take this bracket off. We're going to let it fall back here. And we're going to try to lift it up. Put it on the A-arm here. And then maybe move the ABS line. But that's how we're going to get this out so we can start looking at the pads. And then we're going to go ahead and pull the rotors. The pads, they're shot. It is time to change them. So, let's go. And just like that, we're off. I'll be honest with you. These bolts gave us a bit of a hard time, so we had to use our world famous torque extenders.
Like a carrot.
So here's our old pad. It's definitely, oh man, look at that. It's toast. It's time to change. It's super thin. Here's new pads. You can, look at that thickness. Oh yeah, it's time. Ta-da! So anyway, we started blasting. Before blasting, after blasting. Pew pew! Well, that's it, guys. That's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Front brakes installed. Guess what? I got rear brakes, so we're going to do that on another time. Like, subscribe. Keep coming back to the channel if you want to keep seeing what we're doing. If you want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSucksStore.com. We'll see you next time. You got anything?
Never give up.
Oh, it's okay to suck. What do we do?